ROFFS analyst James here, and it is currently Tuesday, May 13th, 2025. We hope everyone had a good weekend. Today we'll be taking a quick look at the ocean conditions from the west coast of Florida, along Alabama and Louisiana to the east coast of Texas, looking at the ocean conditions that you may have experienced if you had gone offshore this past weekend. Overall, we have started to see a northwestward bulging of the loop current shown here. A little bit of the loop current pushing northwestward. This feature may be something to keep an eye on over the next few weeks due to the location of this larger counterclockwise rotation along the western edges of the main body of the loop current. Because of this and the northwest movement, we may see a separation of that bulge from the main body of the loop current, kind of shown right here, releasing some of that warmer, bluer water to the northwest over the next few weeks. Just something to keep an eye on. That being said, we continue to observe the larger clockwise rotation off of Mobile Bay, shown here, combined with a counterclockwise rotating eddy formation off of the Mississippi Canyon, shown there. These two oceanographic features continue to bring some of that loop current water, some filaments of this warmer, bluer water westward off of the Mississippi Canyon. This clockwise rotation continues to pull some of that warmer, bluer water northwestward, kind of just offshore of the 100 fathom ledge near the Viosca Knoll area, before heading offshore near the steps towards the southern side of the DeSoto Canyon. Additionally, that counterclockwise rotation is pulling some of that warmer water westward across the Mississippi Canyon as well, while we continue to observe some cooler blue-green water moving southeastward across the Green Canyon. These are all helping to improve conditions for mostly tuna and some blue marlin fishing off of Louisiana and towards the panhandle of Florida. We'll switch over real quick to our ocean color imagery, and you can see that bulge of the loop current right here, with the main body of the loop current towards this area, and that counterclockwise rotation on the western edge, with some of those filaments of water being pulled northwestward off of Mobile and the Mississippi River Delta. There have been a few eddies off of the Tampa Bay area that continues to pull some bluer water inshore, with a counterclockwise rotation towards the panhandle, pulling water just off of the Florida Middle Grounds and going northwest off of Cape San Blas. We continue to observe an overall west-southwest movement of the former loop current eddy formation, shown here. Again, that's pulling some of that blue-green water across the Green Canyon. However, a clockwise rotating eddy formation further west off the Aransas Bank continues to pull a filament of cooler blue-green water east-southeastward as well toward the loop current eddy, heading offshore near the East Breaks and Flower Gardens area right here. Additionally, we continue to observe a large counterclockwise rotating eddy formation just off of the ledges off of Aransas, that's pulling some warmer, bluer water inshore of the ledge towards 20 to 50 fathoms off of the Aransas Bank, kind of towards the Baker Rocks area as well. We also observe a couple larger counterclockwise rotating eddy formations further south off of the northeastern coast of Mexico as well. While dealing with some clouds, we still see some of that bluer water further offshore associated with the large clockwise eddy, pulling blue-green water offshore of the Flower Gardens, and the smaller counterclockwise rotation pulling a little bit of that bluer water inshore. Remember, these ocean conditions are always changing, so be sure to head to ROFFS.com or call our office at 321 723 5759 to order updated analyses for each of these areas. Our summer office hours are now Monday through Friday from 9 until 6 and Saturdays from 9 until 4. Looking forward to a wonderful summer season for 2025. Have a good week.